Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, today we will study other family of phonogram, that is E and EA. Okay, so we will study the words in which EE and EA comes. So, kids, first let me tell you, whenever you find any word, if there is E in between or EA is there in that word, the sound that produces is E. The sound that produces E. Okay, so always remember the sound of EE and EA is E. What is the sound? Repeat after me. E. Okay, now let us read some words. Okay, it is there in your book on page number 60 in your phonics book. So we will read the words in which two letters comes together, that is E. Okay, so first is T E Th, teeth. T E Th, teeth. W E K, week. W E K, week. S E M, seam. Ch E K, cheek. B E N, bean. W E D, weed. R E L, reel. Q E N, queen. S E D, seed. M E D, meat. K E N, keen. Sh E T, sheet. Gr E N, green. P E P, peep. N E D, need. Sl E P, sleep. Tr E, tree. Fr E, free. S E, see. B E, bee. Agr E, agree. F E, fee. E L, eel. Okay, so see how ma'am read all these words, so you have to read accordingly, right? So you have to read like this. Okay, so I told you that E means the sound E. The sound is E. Okay, so you have to read these words like this. Okay, now we will read a passage there in it. Very easy. Let us read. So THE is what I told you. This is the. This is what? The. So the seed is in the pot. There is a weed, weed in the pot. The tree is green. I am keen to see it when I am free. The queen bee is on the tree. The teeth are inside the cheek. I will meet her when I am free. I need to sleep. Okay, so kids, these are all E words. Okay, you have to read this passage. This is very important to read this passage so that you will be able to read EE words. Okay, so this is all about E. And now we will do EA words. Okay, so the sound of both EE and EA, the sound of EA is also E. Okay, so this is the same family. EA and E, the sound of EA is also E. Let us find out. S, E, C. Okay, you have to keep it in mind whenever there is any word. If there is EA, then the sound is E. You have to pronounce it as E. So, sa, E, C, E, t, ha, E, t, heat, P E K peak, T E tea, M E L meal, S E L seal, B E N bean, W E K week, B E K beak, N E T neat, L E N lean, L E P leap, R E P reap. See, all the words, there is EA in all these words, right? And we have to pronounce EA as E. Like we did in this, EE is also E and EA is also E. Okay, so kids, now I will read this passage for you, but you have to read both the pages. Okay, ma'am is reading is to just help you, is to so that you will understand it better. Okay, but you have to read both the pages. So, he is by the sea. He will eat his meal. The room is so neat. She will have tea. The book has a seal. We will not go in the heat. The bird has a bead in her beak. Okay, so kids, now we will write EE words and EA words in our notebook. But this is the homework for you. Like, you have to read this page number 61 and page number 63 so that you will have better understanding of EA and EE words. Okay, now I will write some words for you in this notebook which you also have to write. So first we will begin with EE words. Okay, so let us write some EE words. Okay, so put the heading on the top, E, and the sound is the sound of E is E. Okay, so the first word is need. Need. So N-E-D, need. Cheek. Ch-E-K, cheek. Cheek. Now T-E-Th, teeth. What is this? Teeth. Now green. Green. Okay. See. Okay. Next is sleep. Next is week. Okay, so this is, we are doing this so that you can read more and more words. The more and more you write, the more and more you read, it is very easy for you to read any kind of word. Okay, now let's write here EA words. Again, the sound is E. Okay, the sound is E. So let's write some words like E. See, here is EA and here is E, but the sound that is coming is E. So E, see, E, meal, E, beak, beak. Okay, eat. Now next is heat. Next is tea. Next is bean. Okay, so kids, write down all these EA words, but the sound is, I told you again and again, the sound is E. And you have to read these two pages also, page number 61 in your phonics book and page number 63 which is there in your phonics book. Only 5 to 6 lines are there. It is easy. If you watched video twice, please watch it so that you will be able to read it better. Okay, watch my video twice, read them, read both the passages and do this work in your notebook and share your work with me. Okay kids, bye bye, take care, and we will meet again in our next class. Bye, take care.